Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today we're going to be talking about our piston and rod organizer. In front of me I have one of ours assembled and in use. We have this filled up with engine components from an engine that we're rebuilding in the back. As you can see, the center portion is used for organizing the pistons and rods. It's labeled front so that you know which orientation everything goes in when you take them out of the engine. Another thing to note is that our piston and rod organizer has provisions on the side for other valve train components such as your rockers, your push rods, and on the bottom you can put in your lifters. So pretty neat design. This thing comes disassembled and it uses our unique tab and slot design, and you assemble it very easily at home, and then you have a good place to put all your engine components for when you're rebuilding your engine. So it's good for the do-it-yourselfer or the engine builder. So if you want to find out more about this piston and rod organizer, check us out, crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.